runs off 5 balls. Flex down the fine right for single. Leg by. 3 to win. Close. It's gone in. It's done. Oh, what a finish. Imran gets Sana the LBW with 3 runs for victory. 3 balls to be bowled. 3 runs and what a finish. What a match. Imran Khan, Carl Rackman. Swing and a miss. Oh, the pressure mounts. Here comes Imran Khan. Bowling. Wow, what a finish. Rackman clean bowled by Imran. 1 ball to be bowled. And it's going to be the veteran Terry Alderman. The face of the music. What a finish. He's forced me to cut the faces in deep into wicket.
Where is Javed?
The 12th man, Shoaib Mohammed's coming out on the field. There was a message, he's been sent back. That's all happening at the Sydney Cricket Ground. There's nobody at mid-wicket. The last delivery from Imran to Terry Alderman. And he's missed it. So it's all over. Great victory for Pakistan overall. Cricket hanging on by 2 runs.
Pakistan bowling. Imran Khan, I thought, bowled very well again. 2 for 28. Splendid all-round performance from him.